about chess notation, which actually isn't compulsory to know. I mean, you don't have to know it to play chess, but in tournaments you have to write notation. And if you are a normal player or maybe player who sometimes plays chess, then you don't just then and I mean you don't need to watch this video, because this is our chess notation, which is advanced. Yeah, but beginner but advanced. So, notation is basically when you write down moves. Like here you can see notation, and here when you just write pieces first letter, like except for the pawns. When pawns move, you write the square's name. So this is the E file, and this is the fourth rank. So E4. So it is E4. And the knight, we write it N. Wait, let me just do one thing quickly. Where is the notation? Yeah, I will turn it to text, and here it's N. Actually, the knight starts with K, but K is for the king. And the knight also square, like F6. So it is NF6, NF3, and in every notation we write the box's name, and you must know the box's name actually, because it is like 1 2 3 4. First the letter goes and then the number. So A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1, and A2, B3, C4, and like that. Here, and then the bishop, B, and then the square, then the rook, R, and then the square, then the queen, Q, and the square, and for the king it is K and the square. And you might be wondering what to do with special moves. And capture, and check, and checkmate. So for special moves, you do like for n passant, you do like this. You do it. Oh yeah. First, let me show capture. Capture is here. The pawn's current file when it was E. It was on the E file X. For the X is a capture, and the took on F5. But it only applies with pawns, because if we take with another piece, then it is only like here. Or for example, N X G5. I mean, capture is X, and then I will so check. But before that, I am going to just check the king. Here, plus comes at the last. Q for queen, h5 for its place, and plus for check. And it is similar for checkmate. Here. Here. It is hash. Or tic-tac-toe sign or whatever you want to call it. Now n percentage. Let me just show you. Here. Here. It is E file X and F6. Yeah, it is just same. Imagine if a pawn captures the here, just that it doesn't capture here, it captured this pawn. Next, there's promotion, which I will have to do some silly moves to tell from the white position here. And for capture promotion, it is like a pawns file like H X because we took the rook. Otherwise, there's no X if we just promoted at H8. Then G8, the square, and then equals to queen, which is that it promoted to a queen. And for rook it is equals to R, and for knight it is equals to N, and it can't promote to a king, and for bishop it is equal E. Then there is castling here. 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 First, this is the short castling, also king side castling. 0, I mean O dash O. And for queen side, it is here. For queen side, it is O dash O dash O. It is like a king side and queen side castling is just the same. Just in queen side castling, there is one extra O and dash. And bye bye.